This is a brand new 2013 Subaru Outback. This wagon has a continuously variable transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, air conditioning with automatic climate control, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Thank you for considering Lexus of Pembroke Pines for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are located at 16150 Pines Boulevard in Pembroke Pines, just 1 mile west of I-75. We look forward to serving you.